Wow, everybody. Hope all of you enjoyed this train video here with me, and if you did, go thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel. Also, if you're new and you came here, hit that subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel. Hey, also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you will be notified about it. But this was filmed on Sunday, February 23rd, 2025. Until my next train video, they call me Mr. Canadian National, and this train video's over. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.